Hey, hi, Glenn here at the Gardens of Castle Rock. Wow, you haven't heard from me for a little bit because we've been absolutely buried. I mean, just buried getting ready for the season. Been a fun spring. If you're in Minnesota, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. We had 5 winters this last winter. We've had rain. We're getting ready for another rain event here. It is what it is. But hey, things are popping. Look at that. Look at that. One of the big flowering crabs here. There's flowers everywhere around here. It's just stunning, gorgeous. The birds are out. Found a second Oreo nest. The tent is up. There's pavers underneath. You know what I should do? We did a whole bunch of lighting projects. I know you saw some of that on some of it, but we have the new lights all on one switch. See if we can get them. Boom! There they are. 1,000 lights. Hey, there will be actually a video of the lights coming in. We'll do that. But what I'm going to show you in this little video, a quick one, we've got some things happening out on the edges here. We are tweaking the orchard, and then there's another little surprise that we'll show you. But first, I'm going to pop in a video, some time lapse of us pruning the orchard back when it was dormant. But we're going to pop down there now and just see. It's kind of crazy. But hey, watch that, and then I'll be right back. Oh, here we are down in the orchard. Now, I'm sure you're gonna say it looks absolutely crazy and we're not gonna have a wedding here today, no. But this is one of those things, these long-term, these real big pictures things that I work here at the Gardens. This is 3rd generation. I'm 3rd generation here at the Gardens. These apple trees right here have been here all my life. So most of them are over 50 years old. They're cool, they're heirloom. Yes, if you were starting an orchard for production, you wouldn't do it like this. But hey, we brought them back. They got a little neglected, that happens, but we've been working on them. A couple of these, like this guy right here. I'm gonna try to take some still pictures for you. Maybe I'll get up there and check out some of those blossoms right there. We will have apples this year. It's gonna be pretty cool. Very, very cool. But this orchard here, Grandpa put them in, 50 plus years old, and we're slowly tweaking. So if you come down here and do some photos, cool. There's a little bit of brush, but we're gonna make it work. It's awesome. So I'm gonna take some cool pictures here of some blossoms, and then I'm gonna take you over to the next exciting little thing that we're working on here. So pictures first, then over there. Wow. And wow, here we are over at the other side. Now, Wedding in the Woods is just down there. Here is the wildflower gardens, and they're starting to green up. Things are popping there. The big stump got moved. I don't know if there's a video of that yet. Maybe there will be, hard to believe. But Woodland Restoration Garden is well underway. But the exciting new thing right behind, in front of me, right behind you, here we go as we turn. All that you're gonna see are all these super, super, super cool little flags in the ground. Guess what? More grapes. Not just grapes on top of the Lath House, but these are gonna be for wine. Vineyards at the Gardens. It's coming. First phase of the vineyard. Here it is. Eric has been working his butt off. We got it all graded out. We added a little bit. Grapevines were ordered last year. I think they're going in next week. That's the plan. But hey, that's why we call it Gardens with an S, because there's gardens all over this place. There we go. A little update. Sorry I haven't been posting as much lately. We're gonna do, no we're not. We'll get it when we can. It's a busy, awesome time here at the Gardens of Castle Rock. Glenn, you know what to do. Subscribe, like it, share it, do all those fun things. We really appreciate that you took the time to watch the video. And hey, we'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.